Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino MegaADK right here, which is connected to breadboard with electronics and some fischertechnik, mechatronics and a phototransistor, which I last time reconnected to the voltage divider, and after some struggle I connected it to both analog input as well as digital input right here. Reason for that was that for some reason the analog input didn't make much sense, and by digital input I can make more sense out of this phototransistor, so now I can distinguish 1 from 0. But I had to use a flashlight, this one, and well, since it runs on batteries, I don't want to do that so much, so I put once again, as in the past times, a lens lamp, but I still have to program it. So that's up first. What I also need to check out for is still this RC circuit and how everything else is going to work. So let's see. Well, this does work. Does this still work? Yes, although I still don't like the way this RC circuit is working, because I should see just a flash, and as long as I press, this LED stays on. So there is something either wrong in the circuit or with my wiring, and I mean circuit design, because yeah, as I said, it should just discharge of the capacitor, which is actually electronic battery, and of well, battery of very small capacity, by the way, and it's just a short flash. But anyway, that's the plan for now. And I see also a little piece of wiring here, not the intention. This should be used somehow. It didn't touch any electronics that I saw, so hopefully it didn't any damage. Alright, let's see how I can get things going. So in order to control this newly connected lens lamp, I have to program it. Looking at the schematics, I find the lens lamp here, which is connected to port 8. So incidentally or accidentally or wisely, I reconnected the lamp in a good way, which means that the feed comes from this wire and goes to this wire, which is connected. Oh, and then it helps if I show it, which is coming from this wire right here and is going away through this wire, which is connected to ground. So this one is the power, but it is not programmed yet. So what I have to do is, let's keep it in sequence and put this one right here. However, I also have to put some value here. So let's keep it just as on and off, which means digital out high. That means that I will put it like digital out pin. And put it right here. 8 is 8. Then, well, to keep it in all nice sequence, I would do it right here and say digital right digital out pin 8 high. Would that actually be good? That's the big question, because digital in pin 7 is here. Digital in pin 7, that is the input from the phototransistor, which is here. So when I read the digital any input, it is nice if I have something that is in sequence. So put it on, put it off, put it on, put it off. Then it is not logical to put digital out pin here and have it put here somewhere. And this is the input right here. So I would say put it here. Would it work? Not sure. What I can also do, of course, also very nicely, I think it's even more nicely. Oh wait, I can do this, but how much time does it take? That's a good question. Well, I will see that. I will see that. And then I will make this low, because there's high and low, of course, in digital, and see how this works out. Then this is high and this will be low. Right. Now let's see what happens. If anything happens. Well, no, not that one, that one. Do I see anything here at all? So let's remove this trap. I can't say I see anything happen at all. this lamp should shine. So let's change that. Delay. Half a second, if that works. Ah, look at that. Something works, or worked. But now I don't see it anymore. Oh, there it comes. So let's wait. Yeah, and the mechatronics is stopped as well, but I want that lamp. And granted, and admittedly, half a second isn't long. And I still do not see that lamp. I don't like that. Alright. Although they said that a delay pauses the whole system, so I would need something else. But right now I will use it. Although when it shines, yeah, it delays, so does it go on with digital in pin 7, etc. to read it? That's a big question. But let's take it to this. Oh, there's a very dim glow. Yeah. A very soft glow. Yeah, you can see it on camera. But has that any influence on digital pin 7 at all? No, not in the least. Not in the least. Apart from that, I need to make a print statement here. Lamp high, so that I know when to expect it. Now let me make it capital. High and low. So that makes this one not needed anymore. Alright, go. Okay, so this lamp is not detected, period. Alright, so I need to find a different solution. What I also did was add another probe. So this is the probe that gives the input to the lamp. This is the probe that is connected to the voltage divider, and that signals if the photoresistor has gone on or off, influenced by the lamp. And now, as you can see, this is frequently going high and low, but that is not that this goes high or low. This is pin 8 that goes high or low. And as you can see, this one stays flat. Well, more or less flat. It does something, but not really that you can say, wow. And when we look at pin A7, no, do we have, which one do we have to look for then? The blue one is, oh, let's look at the schematics. Yeah, A4. We have to look at A4. That is, if there's something in there. And right now there isn't. No wonder I don't see anything. Or, okay. Alright, now everything is connected again, including this one. And this is not funny. Okay, now it is connected. It should stay connected. So, now what is the difference? The difference is now that I do get the value here, and 190 and 203, 194, but this stays low. So that means that it effectively doesn't do a thing. What to do about it? Well, let me give it, instead of high and low, an analog value and see if the lamp then actually gives a nice glow, because this glow is very, very little. Alright. That means that I have to change this into analog. Wait, let's see, this is output to lamp. And that we change to, or into actually, analog output, and then this becomes analog. No change here. And this has to be changed. because this is going to be a whole wait. This can't be both, so I have to comment this one out. Then here it is commented out, and this has to be changed in analog right. Analog out. High cannot be because high is digital, so I make this maximum value of 256. Analog output to lamp max, and let's copy the gist. Yeah, well, alright, and this will become 0, and this will become minus, minimal. So now I'm very curious what will happen. Oh wait, there's something else. Here it is a delay of 1000. By all means, let me put this delay here as well. Although this is a delay that it gets off anyway, because after this it gets off. But let's see how this behaves. Alright. How does the lamp behave? Does it actually go on? I don't even say it going on. This is not good. Oops. Going wrong with all good intentions, so to say. I am not seeing the lamp do anything. Anything at all. So, is that indeed max? I think so. Let me, although here it says 512, let me change this then to 512. Right, another chance. I hear the motor whine of the mechatronics, but that's not important right now. The lamp doesn't do anything anymore. Alright, that means that this is kind of futile. That means that I'm going to go back to oh wait, I changed it and I should have put it next to it, right? Alright, so this is low, this is a low, this will be out. That is good. And then right. So this is digital again, and this is digital again, and this is digital again. Since that doesn't work, should I change this to here and change this here? Alright, now let's see. Well, the lamp shines a little bit again. And now I see something here, but is that enough for the lamp to say, for digital input to say it's 1? No, because when I now take the lamp, and I mean this flashlight, and I shine on it, you can see the difference. So the level is here with from the controlled lamp, and now I shine, and you see the clear difference in level. Or should see anyway. And when I shine on it with the lamp, what does digital out 7 do, or digital in 7? Nothing. Wait. How come it says nothing? Now it now digital says 1 here. It clearly says 1 now. But look at the difference in level. So this is 1. And look at the level without the lamp. Oh, that's such a big difference. It's never going to make it. But how come? I think it's voltage level. On the other hand, I am dealing here with a voltage divider, so the input is a lower voltage. Should I skip the voltage divider for this? Possibly. This is clearly not going to work out, not the way I intended. And with that, I'm out of time. So the results are not too positive. I perhaps should, as I said, skip this voltage divider, which brings the voltage down, and maybe without voltage divider it just works. But I will see that next time. Also, I'm yeah, I'm a bit surprised by the very low glimmer of the lamp when it is controlled by digital output high, and that it doesn't do anything with analog output. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give it a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like, leave a comment. You can show your support and appreciation by making a small donation via PayPal or Wire. You can also show support by becoming a patron and have your name mentioned. More information in the description box of this video, under the video, and as well as at the start of this video. So yeah, this is going to be continued, obviously. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.